These two yahoos are watching the squirrel that's on the picnic table. And if we go, squirrel, go get it. Go get the squirrel. They do
Simon?
nothing.
Well, you guys are on top of it tonight. I'm glad you earned your keep for the day.
They normally run after it. You dorks.
Was ist los, little Gina?
Yeah, the squirrel's just having a heyday eating the birdseed on the picnic table, and these two, yeah, they're some guard dogs, aren't they? Simon, squirrel, go get the squirrel. Go get it. Oh my gosh. Okay, Badu's taking the initiative. Well, maybe not.
Yeah, she is. She's going to go under the deck.
Around and sneak up on him. I think.
That's exactly what she's doing.
Yes, there she goes. She's under the deck.
He sees her.
There she is. See, Simon's still right here.
She's right at the side.
Yeah. Squirrel is still up there. And there she goes. And there goes Simon.